Facebook Desktop Messenger is experiencing an issue with chat access, where you're asked to enter your PIN to restore the chat history. The problem is that after entering your PIN, it gets stuck at the verification process and doesn't go beyond that. Therefore, I'll show you 2 ways to fix this, but I'll keep updating more solutions, so be sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates. So, to fix this, open a new tab, then tap the 3-dot menu at the top right, and select Settings. Under Settings, open Privacy and Security, then go to Site Settings. There, select View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Next, go to the Filter Sites option at the top right, then type Facebook. Below that, you will see the number of cookies stored under facebook.com. So here, what you need to do is to tap the delete option to clear those cookies. But please note, this will log you out of your Facebook account. After that, open a new tab, go to facebook.com and log into your account. Next, go to the Messenger section, enter your PIN, and you should be able to access your messages. If that doesn't work, open a new tab and go to messenger.com, where you'll also have access to your messages without PIN verification.